Hello everyone, this is your friend Satyam, and this video is going to be completely for all the aspirants who have successfully qualified their examination of Tata Steel Registered Relation Trainee. Okay, so many of you were asking that sir, when will the date of our medical test will come from Tata Steel. Okay, so finally the wait is over, and your medical test is going to be started very soon, and hopefully you can understand and you can say that within this week, okay, within this week your date of medical test will come on your mail. So just check your mail regularly basis. Okay, you will be mailed from them. तो उसी के रिगार्डिंग ये इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस मैं बना रहा हूँ और मैं आप लोगों को ये बताना चाहता था. एंड द मेन थिंग which I have to say, that is the recruitment process of your examination. Okay, the recruitment process will be started from 16th of May. I repeat, 16th of May. From 16th of May, the process of your recruitment of candidates as a trainee, okay, in Tata Steel will be started. Okay, so now second thing which have to be say, that is this recruitment will be on the basis of age. Okay, so you must know about it. The recruitment process will be as per the age. Okay, so the age preference will be given to candidates, like as you all know that total number of post is 500. Okay, 500 total number of post was declared at that time. So first year approximately 170 candidates, and the next year few, and after that few will be recruited. Okay, so the very first year the candidates who is going to be recruited from them on the basis of their age. Okay, for example 42, if a candidate having 42 years or 30 years, they can be recruited. Okay, so this is all I have to say in this video. So you don't worry about your medical test. Date of your medical test is will be declared very soon. And just one thing, and the only you need to only check your email section regularly. Okay, so today is 21st of April, and hopefully you can say within this week, yes, within this week, okay, you will be get email from Tata Steel Limited. Okay, so thank you. I just wanted to share this information with all of you, and if you want to refer exactly what can we say, reference, you can visit newspaper of 21st April. Okay, so in Prabhat Khabar or in any other newspaper you can see the all news which I have discussed with you in this video. Okay, so now that's all I have to say with all of you in this video, and I hope you have understood that whatever I have discussed with you. So okay, thank you for this video, thank you for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed our channel, then I would like to request you, please subscribe our channel, so that okay, so please subscribe our channel, nothing else have to say. Thank you.